If you like crunchy, savory snacks, but you need to eat more protein, these chips are made from 100% chicken, and just listen to the crunch.
Does it taste lit or does it taste shit? As always, I'll make it so that you don't have to, then I'll let you know if it's actually worth making it or not. Let's do it. The bloody audio didn't record, so I'm just gonna voice over it for you guys. Anyway, it was crunchy, it tastes good. Make sure you add extra seasoning just so it has a lot of flavor. But I definitely recommend this if you're trying to lose weight and gain muscle. Anyways, I'll see you in tomorrow's video.